Okay, this better be worth it. Okay. Inside this monster is my brand new 3D printer. I hope it's not just a box of heavy air. Let's unbox it together. Before we proceed, I want to say that Creality never sponsored this video. The reason why I bought a Creality High combo is that I owned a Creality Ender 3 V2 before, which served me well. According to me, it served me well. The Ender 3 V2, I also bought it with my own money, so no money exchanged hands here. Then I thought that upgrading to a new printer which has more features is better off. So I never experienced any bigger issue with the Ender 3 V2 before. I wouldn't hesitate if Creality reached out to me to review maybe one of their printers. So let's dive in. Filaments. So time for the big boy. Here we go. Wow, from the first impressions I can see some good news. It's not a box of heavy air, finally. So I ordered the combo version with the filament changer. So first foam. So this foam has got the PTFE tubes, some cables, and the filament buffer. Okay. Next is the CFS system, Creality CFS system. Wow, the Creality CFS system with a little screen here. I guess you can't see the screen, but let me try and see. Okay, the CFS system, nice and tidy. Inside is this manual box. So let's get this out. See, steps, very nice. Yeah. Okay, we get a manual with some tools here. Let's see the tools. We got something that looks like a tool to unclog. Some pliers, cutters. Okay. some grease, these are some bolts and some tools here. Okay, some plastics. Okay, let us take them out. Some plastics, some bolts, some zip ties, grease, little grease, tools, more tools. Okay, got a double-sided tape. This is the guide for the filament when using the spool. Some stickers here. Finally, the manuals. We have one in Chinese. Everything here is in Chinese. Okay, no English. Okay, we proceed. Okay, we get some spool holder. I owned a Creality and a 3 before, so I think I'm not new to this. Some 1 gram of filament, or how much is it? Okay, the cable, and that is all for this one. So let's get it out. You see, that is all it had. So finally, time for the big boy. We get the gantry for the Z axis. Very nice. Wow. Filament cutter. I like it. Okay. And here is the base. Wow. Okay, this is the base. So that's basically it, what was in the box. So let's go ahead and assemble this monster. Wow, I'm very happy. Assemble it, you'll need the side cutters. So the base comes tightly held with these zip ties, as you can see. So you'll need to remove the zip ties first. So let us remove them. Okay, zip ties done, removed. So on the base you get the printing surface. Yeah, here it is. Printing surface. Okay. Packaging of the printer is very nice, very nice. The base is very solid, aluminium. See it, this, and you have got a screen on this side. So this is the base. As you can see, the base, after removing all the foam from the base, we have this cable here and this one here. We put the Z gantry on this two spaces, then one nut here, one nut here, and two others here, two others here. Okay, let us do that. So first you pull the base to the front side. Take your Z gantry, here it is. Insert on those two spaces where it should go in. Wow, now it started looking like a printer. There you have it. So the dimensions are 260 by 260 by 300 for the Z. Let us tie all those nuts. So the nut comes with the printer. You will not buy the nuts. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the one, I guess this one is for the spool holder. This small one here is a small nut here. Okay, so let us do that first. So the tool to assemble also come packed. Here the tools. Yeah. So take it, get the nuts off. Okay, so this one. This one. So put one here, one here. So take it. Let's do it. Okay, same case on the other side. Put two of them here, another one here. Okay, one second. Then this other two, give me the back side. The back side of the printer will look something like that. Then there are two spaces. So you see, there's one here, and there's another one here on this side. One here and one here. So you just imagine like now the laser comes in. Okay. So let's do it. I just realized something. So is this tape which has got these wires. So for you to screw it in, you must remove the tape, or you can bow it through, whichever way you use. everything inside. Let's do this. Let's put everything. So everything. Get everything now. Okay, make it tight. Make it tight. I'll do something in okay. So let's go here. Nothing. So make every screw very tight. Take the screws. Make them screws. Make sure they're very tight. Take them there. After tightening the screws, your Z-axis should not move at all. As you can see, mine is very solid, no movements. There are two JST connectors, so one on this side and two on the other side. So put it in well and nicely. Put these JST connectors in, then hide the wire inside there. Okay, same case for this. Here they are two of them and two JSTs. So one is 3-pin, one JST is 3-pin connector. So put it in. Put it in well. Then the next JST, put it in well here. Then hide the wires inside like that. When I was unboxing, there were two plastic casings. Here they are, these two. Let me get them out. These two. There are two of them. So one on each side of the wires. You cover there and cover this other side. Okay, so your printer should look like that. So on this other side you have this cable. You have this cable from there, this cable. So this cable should come and connect here. Up here there's a connection. You see the connection there. So the cable should be fixed there. So let's fix it. You should hear it click. Well, then after making that cable, two connectors to make the wire tidy. There is this one, bottom there, and this one. So you should lay your cable well. So let us do it step by step. So on the first one, you clip your cable there. And then the second one, here is the second one. You clip. You should make your cable well and tidy, then clip it there. So it should end up looking like this, like that. And that's it. Our printer is fully assembled. Then you have your bed. Here is the bed. So there are two stops at the back. So put well, and it should snap well. Wow, Okay, just a small recap of what we just did. Okay, we tied this nut here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we connected 3 GST connectors. This is 1, 2, 3. On the back side we tied 2 nuts, which is this one here and another one here. They are visible. Then took these 2, so one placed here to cover this nakedness, and the next to cover there. Okay, then as you can see, I think this is the probe to know where the brush is, the silicone brush. This is where the nozzle will clean itself on. Let us proceed. Turn on the printer with the cable. Here is the cable it came with, and connect it to the power and see what happens. Here's the power port, and here is the on off switch. Power it up. So take your cable and insert there. Okay, this is our screen. Let us peel this off. So the screen initially was like that, so you turn it around and then make it face up. Okay, nice. So let us turn on the printer and see. Then you choose the language, either Chinese or English. Okay, I know English. Then press OK here. Please keep the green cube in the diagram clear of debris. That is the print area. So as you can see, the print area is free. Okay, let's press OK and see what will happen. Then press OK. Then accept the privacy policy. Click there. Okay. Okay. It is a Wi-Fi based, so I'll tap my network. Just put your Wi-Fi network password. It has connected and given an IP address on my network, my home network. Then press OK. Okay, my time zone is UTC +3 EAT, but I can't see EAT, so you have to select the +3 I see there. Let me see what happens. So my time zone is +3, that is Kenya UTC. Okay, to connect to the Creality cloud, let us connect to the Creality cloud. You see, you can skip this step for future, but let me do it now. So click on it. After going on the Creality app, then press the scan. They are scanned Creality high, so done. Okay, very good. After that, it has now logged in and paired with my Creality app, phone app. So then skip. Then now we start detecting whether you did a good connection. Okay, so press start detecting, then you see some movement on the printer. Checking nozzle heating. Is now on auto leveling. All the other steps are complete on auto leveling. All the checks are done, so let us see. So now you have to update to the newer version of the software, version 1.1. so it's connected to the internet, so let us do that.